Intelligence, self-awareness. Are we intelligent? Are we self-aware? Well, we define this. There's 5 different types as set out by Ulrich Nasser. It's our ability to figure out the difference between us and our environment, us and other people. They're already putting this into robots. Bang. Is it a coincidence that the home robots are coming out in 2016 at the same time as the first commercial virtual reality device? Then we started moving into new technologies to interface with your computers, to interface with the digital world. Eye tracking systems that can allow parents to know when their kids with high-level disabilities, what sort of cognitive abilities they have. For kids who might not be able to ever travel overseas, VR opens a way to be able to transport a kid to another part of the country, another part of the world, and that's amazing. For us, it's great. For us, it's convenient, it's kind of cool to be able to see the places you might never travel to. Having said that, the technology can change lives.